So how to add Klarna to Apple Pay? So to add your Klarna card to your Apple Wallet, if you open up the Klarna app, you just want to go ahead and click on your card right here. Then once you've clicked on your card, it will bring you through to this page here, and nice and simple, you just want to click on Add to Apple Wallet. Then once you've selected on Add to Apple Wallet, it will bring you through to this page here, and to add your Klarna card to Apple Pay, you just want to select Next right at the top. Then once you've selected on Next, you just need to wait for it to load a little bit. Then you'll be given some terms and conditions, so just give that a read, and if you agree, click Agree. Then once you've agreed to the terms, you just need to wait a little bit again, and then once that's finished, you'll be given this notification message here to let you know that your Klarna card is now in your Apple Wallet, and you can go ahead and start using it. And if you also want to add it as your default, you can select Add to Default right here. And there you have it. And if you open up your Apple Wallet, you should now see your Klarna card in there, and you can go ahead and start using it for contactless payments. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.